So I wonder what we are going to talk about today. We are going to talk about your photos and why it is important. So I know it might not be the most exciting thing, but it is important. So let's get right into it. Why are these photos so important, you may ask? Your headshot photo on your Selfcast profile is the first thing that a producer, a director, or agent, or anyone in the industry will see. So consider it your business card, if you will. So your headshot is definitely the most important one. So having professional and good headshots can really make the difference between you getting a physical casting or getting the job, or you not getting anything because you don't have a professional, serious headshot. So now that you know why the photos are important, let's talk about what kind of photos you need. Well, you need the headshot, and you need a profile, and you need a full body picture. You might also want to include shots of you in a different style or different mood. So you have good photos of you smiling, and you have good photos of you being more dramatic. You can also have photos of you in a suit and photos of you in a shirt or a dress or something like that, just to show off different kind of styles. So now we know what kind of photos you need. So how do you get the good ones? First, you can hire a photographer, professional photographer, which is definitely worth it, but it's going to be very expensive. And then secondly, you can sign up for your local Selfcast photo shoot, and you can get your photos professionally taken there, and they will also edit the photos and they will upload them to your profile for you. And you can always take a selfie at home. Just make sure that the lighting's good and the thing is in focus. We don't recommend this, but we get it that if that is what you can do from home. So that is basically it for this video. So I will highly recommend that you go into the app right now and you look for a photo shoot in your country. Think about your photos, have fun with it, and who knows, maybe this next photo will be the one that lands you that job. So always stay creative, and see you on Selfcast.